Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami from Civil Engineers and today I'm gonna talk about in this video lecture foundation sections drawing and also RCC column footing drawing. Guys, this video is very important for every civil engineer, so you must watch this video from start to end, then you are able to learn something new about RCC footing drawing and also for foundation sections in detail. Let's start. If this video is helpful for you, so must like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Guys, this is the foundation section especially for 9 inches wall and also for 4.5 inches wall. So how you can do the foundation sections and how you can do the same design for your building and how you can read foundation details, right? So in this video you are able to learn something new. So here for 9 inches wall, this is the foundation section which is 3 feet width, right? First of all, for 3 inches we should do PCC, which is 1:8 ratio. And after that, in second step, you can see guys, this is 6 inches depth and its width is 30 inches. Here you can see it's 3 feet, so it become 6 inches less, 3 inches here and 3 inches here. It reduced, it become to 30 inches, so it's 36 inches because it's 3 feet. Now it's 30 inches guys, you can see. So here are also its reinforcement details. So it used 3 number dia used in this section. In second step, 3/8 inches dia and bar spacing is 6 inches. It's 6 inches, you can see guys, right? Spacing is 6 inches, center to center distance, right? Now here are also main bars and distribution bars, right? But here you can see the main bar spacing is 6 inches because you can see this one. Its spacing is 6 inches, but dia is same for also for the other layer, because here are, this is the section from top. Now you will clear your concept easily. So like in slab, main bars and distribution bars, okay? So 2 types of dia can be used in this foundation section, right? Here you can see 3 number dia is used also in this one and also another one, okay? But this is main bar, so therefore its spacing is 6 inches, and for distribution it's 9 inches, okay? This is 9 inches dia and this steel is 6 inches. Now come to its third step. It's 13.5 inches, which depth is 6 inches, right? So here to this point, right, it's 9 inches. Its width is 9 inches till its depth is 30 inches, you can see. So this is called natural surface level, NSL, okay? So you can count the total depth 30 inches. Now you can see this is 1 feet and 3 inches also, again you can see, okay? So 36, 42, 45 inches total depth of this foundation section. Now for 4.5 inches you can also see its width is 2.5 feet, 2 feet 6 inches. So in first step, this is for 4.5 inches wall, right? Its PCC is 1:8, same like this one. But in second step, you can see here we didn't use any steel reinforcement because this is specially designed for 9 inches, so it's just 4.5 inches, so there isn't more load, so therefore we can't use here reinforcement because it will take more cost, okay? So it will become expensive, so therefore it's 9 inches, so we should use here. So in second step it's 24 inches, in third it's 13.5 inches, in fourth it's 9 inches, okay? But in 9 inches in this foundation, so it's 9 inches clear, but here in fourth step it's 9 inches, but in 5 step it's 4.5 inches, which depth is here 24 inches to NSL, right? And here 9 inches, width is also depth 6 inches, it's also 6 inches, this is also 6 inches, same like this one. Okay, so this is foundation section. Now we have the second drawing for column footing. Guys, you can see this is RCC column which size is 9 by 9 inches, but this is footing which is 4 by 4 footing size. The footing size is 4 by 4 feet. It's from the top, it become like this. It's footing 4 feet by 4 feet, right? Its size is 4 by 4 feet. So in first step, this is PCC, which ratio is 1:8 for 3 inches. And second step, you can see this is still reinforcement details. 5 number dia is used, right? And which spacing is 6 inches, right? But also for this one, this is bend bar, okay? Which formula is also I've already discussed in bar bending schedules, and also okay, you can see this is 16D. We can get this length 16D, and also here, okay? Dia is same for both, right? RCC footing, so the column will become on the center here, which size is 9 inch by 9 inches. Okay, now you can see this is NSL, natural surface level. So in first step, there is the thickness of PCC, which is 3 inches. In second step, its depth is 12 inches for reinforcement details, right? Now here you can see its depth is 4 feet to NSL from second step. So size of the RCC column is 9 by 9 inches, right? And here total numbers of steel bars used here, 8 numbers of steel bar used here. 8, which dia is 5 dia, 5 number dia used. This is 5 number dia, or you can write here 5 by 8 inches, which called 5 number dia. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers of steel bars used here. Now guys, you can see this is the lateral ties, which dia is 3 number, okay? At the rate spacing is 4 inches, center to center spacing here, it's 4 inches. Lateral tie spacing is 4 inches in this section, you can see from the top. The dia is 3 dia is used in this lateral ties, which spacing is 4 inches. So this is also 4 inches, okay? At the top it's 4 inches. So guys, this is a video which I have discussed the front of view especially for RCC footing, and the second drawing is for its foundation sections. Okay, so you can make a screenshot from this if you want to do the same design for your project, guys. It's very important. PCC, after PCC for 9 inches wall, you can see its reinforcement details, right? Second step, third step, and fourth step, it's clear width of the wall, okay, or thickness of the wall. So here PCC is present, but RCC work is not present, reinforced work is not present. That's why, because its thickness is 4.5 inches. So its depth from this point, it's 24, 6 inches. Other step also 6 inches, 6 inches, 3 inches. Foundation section. You can also make a screenshot from this. Right, so from the top, it's continue NSL. Size of the column is 9 by 9 inches, but footing size is 4 by 4 feet. It's reinforcement detail PCC work, section 1:1. It's reinforcement detail with lateral ties, right? If you have any question about this video, so guys, you just comments, I will try to reply your answer. So thanks for watching, see you in next video.